Good evening, guys. MoneyStar365 here. Hope you're all having a great day wherever you are in the world. I wanted to do this video for Lead Lightning. Now, I've had this system for over a year now, and I still promote this system, and I'm going to show you why I still promote it, alright? The first thing you need to know about Lead Lightning is the fact that it's affordable. It's literally $7 one time, right? And I'm going to show you what you get for that $7, okay? Now I'm already logged in, so this is the quick start menu right here, basically. What you're gonna want to do when you first sign up, you're gonna click here. How do I get started? Okay. So what that's gonna do is gonna open up a new window, and it's gonna show you basically how to get started, and pretty much 3 simple steps. You'll have access to your links and everything like that. You'll also have an introduction video as well, basically showing you how you can get started with the system. I'm not going to play that video because it is a little bit long, but basically you see the steps here. You'll join their Facebook group, choose the link you want to advertise below, and I'll get to those in a second, and advertise your links, right? Pretty much straightforward. So you have the general Lead Lightning link here. You have 2 links for that. The first link here, referral link A, basically is the Lead Lightning system by itself, which obviously is a great system to promote. It's basically, like I said, the system is helping you build your email list. What that does is it provides you with a list of emails that you can use to promote your products to, just in case one day, something was to happen, to the internet, to Facebook and things like that, God forbid. But this is uh, basically something that you can use on a rainy day, so to speak, okay? Now you have that for Lead Lightning, that's one link there. Then you have this one here, link B. It promotes Lead Lightning, and it promotes your system as well, your primary business. Sorry. So if you're an MCA, it works. Anything like that, you can use referral link B, and I'll show you what referral link B basically does. All right, so go down here a little bit. Referral link B is where you can advertise your primary business down here. Okay, so it says enter your company's personal. Hold on. Basically, you enter your company's personal link here. For me, I have infinityprofitfunnel.com. Basically, it's a capture page for the Infinity Profit System. You can put your MCA link there, whatever link you want to put there, you just update it, and you can use referral link B for that. Now, the reason why you want to do referral link B is because you promoting more businesses at the same time. You have your Lead Lightning, and you can promote your primary business also on the back end. What that does, it's an autoresponder for 7 days, or email responder for 7 days. Basically, when a person opts in, they'll get an email series from you automatically for 7 days, promoting your businesses. Okay, which is amazing in itself. And again, $7 one time, right here. Okay, I mean, you have the option to upgrade, but all you really need to do is just invest the $7 one time. Now, if you want to upgrade, that's great. It's up to you. I more so prefer just the $7 payments one time. It's easier for me that way, and the features that you get, you can't really beat that, alright? So basically, that's the referral links here. Now I'm gonna go down a little bit lower. This is something new that they added to it. It's a free lead system, something you can offer to practically anybody for free. What they do when they opt into this here, they get a free lead system. Now, their free lead system is pretty much like Lead Lightning, but they don't get the commissions for it. What they do with their free lead system is build their email list, right? Same way as Lead Lightning, but like I said, no commissions. So you have your same free lead system link here promoting that. Then you have another link there, which promotes that and your primary business, which is great also. Again, I had this for a year, and this was not there last year, so this is something definitely new. All right. And this is basically the upgrades that you have access to below. Okay, you can upgrade to a silver membership, you can upgrade to a gold membership, or you can just basically stay here on the Lead Lightning, the Power Lead system, which is what you are in right now. Okay. Again, if you want to upgrade, you could do so. There are monthly fees, of course, with the upgrades, but again, you get a lot of value with those as well. So let me go back to the top here. Basically, you have, like I said, you have your video, shows you how to get started. Now, another thing, the promotional tools. This is the last thing I'm probably gonna go over before I stop the video, but I feel that the value in these promotional tools I have to talk about just a little bit, okay? So I'm waiting for my stuff to set up here. With these tools, you get a lot of, hold on. That's not good. Let's see what's going on with my connection. Okay, sorry about that. So traffic generation online, right? You have text links, you have your email swipe copy, and you have your banners. Now these are the main three that you want to use for your businesses, especially if you're doing email marketing. The swipe copies come in handy for that. The text links you can use, you can promote those practically anywhere on social media. You can promote them anywhere, you know, that a person can access a computer. You can put them on your business card, however you want to do it. And the banners are actually great for website use, also for your own website. All right, just gonna show you some of these text links real quick. Computer's taking a little bit long, so bear with me, guys. So I'm not sure if by now if you guys can see why I'm actually still promoting this system after a year. The value that you get for $7 is pretty much ridiculous, okay? And these are your links, okay? Every single one here you can use. You can customize them basically to your liking. Don't know if you guys can see them or not, but this is a long list, okay? A long list basically of customizable text links that you can use for the Lightning to promote it, okay? And your link is always at the end as well. Make sure you keep your link there. Don't mess with the link. You customize everything else up to that point, but leave your link there, okay? So that's pretty much it for the Lightning. Let me show you the banners really quick also. And basically the banner is the same banner, it's just a different size, but it's a good looking banner, okay? So you see here, top tools banner, 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 smaller banner, longer banner, like a rectangular looking banner, another longer banner, and there you go. So it's basically 8 banners you can use for Elite Lightning. You can just copy it and paste it into your website, and that's pretty much it, okay? Guys, again, because I'm going to wrap this up, I've been on here way too long. Bottom line, Lead Lightning, it works. The system is powerful. It helps you build your email list, helps you promote your business on the back end through an email marketing series, and you earn unlimited $6 commissions. Simple as that. You're looking for a startup business, this is the one for you. If you're already an existing marketer and you have multiple business opportunities, add this one to it. If you don't have it, that way you can offer your prospects that are looking for something to start but are a little bit cash strapped. They can start this on the back end and start building up their profit with this, okay? Once they start making profits with this, they can start building up and saving up to move on to bigger things. But at the end of the day, again, this is a great startup business for anyone looking to get into online businesses, okay? So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got some value from this. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the Lightning. And I hope to hear from some of you guys soon. You guys have a good night wherever you are, or if it's morning, wherever you are, you have a great day, okay? You guys take care.